Want to make this logo reveal? I'll show you how in under 6 minutes. Drop your logo into the comp. Pre-compose it, name it logo. Then add a fill effect and set it to white. Drop it into a new pre-comp, name it white logo. Add a fill effect again, and set it to dark gray. Add CC light sweep, set shape to smooth. Width 100, sweep intensity 70, edge intensity 0, and edge thickness 0. Set the center point to your logo's center. Go to the start, add a keyframe on direction, then move to 220 and set direction to -131. Select the keyframes and hit F9 for easy ease. Then add the Vegas effect. Set segments to 2, blend mode to transparent. Pick white. Check random phase. Set width to 1.3. Start opacity 0, and midpoint opacity 1. Add simple choker and set choke matte to -2.7. Go to frame 0, keyframe length at 0. Then at 107 set it to 0.4. And at 314 back to 0. Select the keyframes and easy ease them. At the start, keyframe rotation. Then go to 314 and set rotation to 270. Select the rotation keyframes and hit F9 for easy ease. Then open the graph editor and adjust the curves like in the video. Here's the result. Make sure the effect layers are in this order, or the animation won't work. Now duplicate the white logo layer, add CC radial fast blur to the bottom one. Set amount to 97. And zoom to brightest data, so this is the effect we've got now. On the bottom layer, set opacity to 40%. At frame 0, keyframe center and place the point to the left of the logo. At 314, move the point to the right of the logo. Here's how it looks now. Now add a particles video to the comp and set its mode to color dodge. Create a solid, name it BG, and drag it to the bottom. Then add an adjustment layer with VC color vibrance. If you don't have it, you can download it for free from videocopilot.net. Pick a color you like, or that matches your logo. Then create a new comp, name it Logo Reveal, and drop in the logo and white logo. Comp's logo should be the second layer. Go to 3 seconds, add a linear white preset to the white logo layer. Set white angle to 155, keyframe transition completion, and set it to 37%. Then go to 424, set transition completion to 66 and feather to 100. Select those keyframes and easy ease them. Next, go back to the main comp logo animation and add the logo reveal comp we just made. Apply linear wipe, set wipe angle to -45, transition completion to 61, and keyframe it at 108. Then at 305 set it to 35 with feather at 100. Select those keyframes and easy ease them. Select the video layer. Go to 223 and keyframe opacity. At 311 set opacity to 0. Then select the adjustment layer, keyframe vibrance at 311, and at 429 set vibrance to 0. At 308, keyframe scale on the logo reveal layer. And at 407 set scale to 80. Select the keyframes, easy ease them, and match the speed graph like I did. Now let's edit our text. At 310, keyframe position and opacity with opacity at 0. At 402, move the text slightly up and set opacity to 100. Select the keyframes, ease them, adjust the speed graph, and shift the position keys to frames forward. And that's it, the animation is done. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials.